everyone, welcome to TaiyangNews. We are at Intersolar Europe 2026 and I have with me Junning from Fox ESS and Junning is going to tell us what's new at Intersolar from them. So welcome to TaiyangNews, Junning.
Thank you very much. My name is Junning. I'm Senior Product Manager from Fox ESS, and I would like to introduce you to some of our new devices. Probably first off, about Fox ESS. We are a very young company, founded in 2019, but already I think doing waves on the market. We are number one in Germany, and right now we have around 24 gigawatt hours of 24 gigawatts of output, yearly output, and even phase 3. So where we even expand our production in the coming future, so very soon at the end of the year. What I'd like to introduce you first are two new devices. First off, our new all-in-one inverter for the residential. So it's a three-phase inverter with this all-in-one design. So very easy. You can just use the regular Fox ESS batteries and put the inverter on top of that. This new product, brilliant, is brilliant with new design. Very easy to install, high reliability, and very compact. Overall, with a lot of functions. What else do we have when it comes to the commercial side? We're also expanding. I think this is a market we want to go in. We got the new GMX Plus, which is a new all-in-one battery for CNI, 241 kilowatt hours capacity, and very new. If you go a little bit on the bottom of the device, we introduced an hybrid PCS. So we put in a hybrid inverter where you can connect AC and DC to it. So you can plug in the PV panels directly to it, even a diesel generator. It got 10 milliseconds seamless switching, and we already started selling this one in certain countries. In the Ukraine, for example, is very popular, and the feedback we receive is very, very good. And we are also starting in the CNI segment, and only going up. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.
And also News, the European things, SMA, I've also been working with, and
You're also different engineering background versus commercial background. One issue, but we have hopefully I've given you confidence that we will have some expertise.
so but it's